I know I said I'm fine, but sometimes that's a lie. I learned to hide the tears behind the smile I wear. I've been walking through these streets alone, trying to make this heart a home. Every memory calls my name, every night still feels the same. I gave my best, I gave my all, still somehow watched it fall. I don't blame you, I don't blame me. Some things just weren't meant to be. And if you ever wonder where I've gone, I'm still learning how to carry on. I may be broken in 1,000 ways, but I'm still standing here today. I'm still here, even after all the tears, even when the road gets cold, even when I feel alone. I still breathe, I still believe there's more for me. Maybe I'm not who I was, but I'm still here because I haven't given up on me. There were days I couldn't find the words, when every silence seemed to hurt. I kept my feelings locked away, afraid they'd make me look afraid. But I'm learning I don't have to hide every scar I carry inside. The past can stay where it belongs, I don't have to take it alone. And if tomorrow feels too far, I'll take it slowly. Where we are, I don't need to know the way, I just need to face today. I'm still here, even after all the tears, even when the road gets cold, even when I feel alone. I still breathe, I still believe there's more for me. Maybe I'm not who I was, but I'm still here because I haven't given up on me. Maybe healing isn't beautiful, maybe growing isn't easy, maybe all these broken pieces are becoming something new. And I don't need to be fearless, I just need to keep moving. If my heart is still beating, then there's something left to prove. I'm still here, and I made it through the fear. All the nights I thought I'd fall didn't take away my soul. I still breathe, and now I know that's enough for me. I may never be the same, but I don't have to be ashamed. I'm still here, and I'm finally learning to believe